Watch me as I take you through a day in my life as a baker and a pastry chef. So, hi guys, welcome to Unscripted with Linda. So, this is a Sunday and I have been making yummy, amazing snacks, mouth-watering snacks to church every Sunday by the special grace of God since 2022. Yes. I lost my job. I came back from Calabar, December 2021. I got a job and I lost that job in February, so barely 2 months after. So I was jobless, I had nothing to do, and I just came back from Calabar from service. So it was really a rough time for me at the time. So I decided to dust my utensils and add to my knowledge, and then I started doing snacks to church. I think I started in April 2022, and since then I've been doing it every Sunday. This is May of 2025, so we can say okay, it's been 3 years. 3 years of consistently showing up every Sunday, and I want to thank God for His grace. So I wake up very early on a Sunday morning, let's say sometimes 11 p.m. and I walk throughout the night and go to church, sometimes 12 a.m., sometimes 1, sometimes 2, sometimes I'll prep on Saturday so that I can wake up like 2 a.m. and walk throughout the night, get set. So this is me here packaging meat pies. I've already taken my bath, I've dressed up. This is about 5 a.m. or so, and I'm going to now package the meat pies and the snacks and take them to church. So sometimes I just look back and I'm grateful to God that God actually gave me something to do, and this is what God has been using to sustain me. This is what I've been using to finance my music. This is everything, and God has been faithful. And I want to thank God for His strength upon my life. Thank God for His grace. And thank my customers that always patronize me every Sunday. I attend the Voltage Church, and every Sunday people patronize me. People buy from me. And when they do that, I go back home with a lot of money, and I'm happy, I'm glad. I get to put the money back into the business, and then we'll do the same thing the next Sunday. And then during the week, I get orders. So I don't know what it is. Maybe you are like me that lost your job and you want to start something. God has laid it in your heart to start something. Do it. Start it. You don't know where God is going to take you to with that thing. Start it, because a man that is faithful in little will definitely be faithful in much. I studied home economics education, and I decided to go into pastries, cake, and all that. So I run a business called Palmsweetcakesandtreats. It's a fast-growing cake brand and confectionery brand that is, in Benin, situated in Benin City, Nigeria, West Africa, and it's growing. It took me losing my job to be able to get back to my own passion, my own business, and now I am doing it. I've trained 2 people so far, and God has been helping me. So I want to use this medium to encourage you. If you are in a place where you need to start something and God is laying it in your heart to start, please start. Please start. It might look small, it might look insignificant, but as long as you can get yourself by, you are not begging. You don't need somebody to now, foot your bills or provide for you or put food on your table. God is using your skill to help you, then do so. If you need to learn, if you need to add to your knowledge, by all means do so. Become more valuable and become very, very skilled at what you do, and then you find yourself with people that will be asking for your help. The Bible says, "Here that a man that is diligent in his work, he will stand before kings and not before mean men." Okay, so I want to use this medium to encourage you. Start. All right, thank you so much for watching, and please, you can place your orders. Yes, I am open to taking your orders. Place your orders. I do snacks in Alaska, egg roll, meat pies, sausages, anything at all that has to do with confectionery, cakes, birthday cakes, patronize me, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a nice time watching this video. It's just me dancing and packaging my meat pies. Don't mind me. I'm singing along. Bye guys. Love ya.